Hello, everyone. This is Marlon Carter out of Dallas, Texas. Welcome to my number three, my third Convergent Pros Capture Page Step by Step training. And today we want to talk about putting a background video inside of your capture pages. We're going to click on Page Builder right here. If you haven't already gotten you an account, at the bottom of this video in the description part, you will see a link to the Convergent Pros. And we're going to go over here, and we started the background training right here. So we're going to just edit this. First, you want to create a page. Let's go back over it. You want to create a page. You want to edit that page. You're going to give it a name. Give it a name, and then now you give it a title so you'll know what it's all about. And then give it a name. I named it. Let me go back over here now. Go back over here to Page Builder. And what I did, I named it Create Background. And then the title is Background Video, so I know what it's all about. So I'm going to just edit this page. Right here, I already started, so I'm going to go back over it so I can show you what I did. You want to pick a background video right here. Go down to the bottom. After you've created your page, you save it. You want to put a background video in there. All you have to do is go down to the bottom and save it. Go down to the bottom and look at pick a background video. Let's see this one right here. You have all the videos you need inside of your Convergent Pros. I don't like that one too much. I like it, but that would be for another advertisement. Let's go down to the bottom again. Pick background video. Let's go down and pick a simple one. Let's check this one out right here. I think that's the one I selected. Just selected right there. And you got it right there. See the autumn leaves falling. And if you want to put a title on there, let's just edit it right here. Click edit and then just go in there and just select it and start putting in there what you want to put in there. I'm going to put in here how to create background videos inside of the Convergent Pro. Okay, we have established that. We're going to stop editing. Then we're going to go down to the bottom. We're going to go down to the bottom and we're going to save it. It's saved. And now what we want to do, since we've created that, if you want to put a video inside of here, you can click on edit components. Edit components. And then you can go down over here on the right side and you see the YouTube icon right there. Just click on it and hold your mouse down and just drag it over here underneath wherever you want it at. And right here, it's going to be edit content, delete content. You want to edit that content. Click edit, and this is where you put your video, whatever you want to put in there. I'm gonna go back over here, and this is one of my videos. Let me choose another one. Okay, let's choose this one right here. Hello everyone, this is Marlon Carter here, back again with the video. And what we want to do is share. Click share, and then we want to copy that link, that URL, and then go back over to where you're editing your video. Okay, you're gonna put that link right here. Right click it, left click, and then paste. And then you see that video pops in there, and then we're gonna save it. You see how it's going in there, but you got to go down to the bottom and save Lander. That page is saved. Okay, to start practicing, to start learning more about how to build your capture pages, just go down to the bottom in the description part. You will see my wordings of the day, and you will see a link to take you over to the Convergent Pros to join and learn more about how to create these capture pages. And we saved it. Let's take a look at what we have created so far. Let's go over to the Convergent Pros again. We're gonna be at the page builder. We're working on background videos. Let's get the link. Get the link, and then it's gonna pop up. Just click preview. See what we've created so far? You see your background video there. How to create background videos inside of the Convergent Pros. And we want to edit it. We want to go back over here, and we want to put you interest inside to lead you over to creating your own pages and view more information about how you can get started with the Convergent Pros. What we want to do is edit component, and this is what you would do for your subscribers. Edit component. We're going to click here and bring this form down below your video. If it works, let me see. Over here is where you're going to get your form. Over here, these your components. We're going to click on this and drag it over. It won't do it. I guess the video too big. But anyway, let's click here. Bring this below this. And now let's see if we can bring this below this. Now it wants to go in there. Okay. You click. You want to edit that component. And this is what your subscribers gonna see. I just want to put out there to put in your full name and email address, and then say right here, and see what you have down there. And then down here, you can take that out. Whatever you don't want in your page, you can take it out, delete it, and you can just put that in there, and then take the tool, and then you will be able to just save your work. I'm just going through this because I'm trying to find my join in page. I know it's on the videos that I have already selected. And this is what you would do once you get over to the page, so that you can receive your join in page. take the tour, join for free. This is my join page right here. So I will copy that, go back over to editing my page. I'm going to go back here where I put the form in, then edit it, and then I'm going to click right here and put that link in where you can join. Save it, and then we're done. So this is how you create your pages. Let's go over here to the Convergent Pros. We go back to creating a page. Let's view the page that we are working on. Get the link, preview it. I didn't save it. See what happened when you don't save it? Always go down here and save lender. Boom. And then go back. Now you can go and view the page that you just saved. Instead of going back through the whole process, I'm just going to refresh it, fresh it. It still didn't save for some reason. Let's see what's going on here. Okay. Let's go back over here to the Convergent Pros. We're going to go back to Page Builders, and we're going to select Get Link. Let's preview it. And it hadn't, yeah, it did save. It is saved. I don't know what I'm thinking about. It did save. But anyway, this is the extent of my video. At the bottom of this video, again, in the description part, click on that link to bring you over to the Convergent Pros. And you can join up to get a free account for 14 days. You can check it out and play around with it for yourself. My name is Marlon Carter. Have a blessed and wonderful day or night. Bye-bye.